Okay, part of my day normally revolves around just trying to get answers in order to help determine what the problem is. And one of the best ways to do this to get an answer is just to look at the logs. Now, it sounds simple, but a whole lot of logs there, and if you don't know where to look, you have a problem. So this is an option in order to try to get to that as quickly as possible. The script I'm going to be working on is going to be in PowerShell. It's best if you're in administrator mode, but most of the times this can also work regular. If not, this is what you're going to do. This is the script. It's going to be basically doing a get. So you're going to go and type in Get-WinEvent, and you're going to list the log. And it's important that you leave an asterisk here, so that way it goes for everything. But you're also going to have to do a pipe to select an object, and you want to give it an object name. Now, the reason why you say object name like this, so that way it can just give you the list. So if I just put it in here as is, it's going to just give you a list right here in the shell. So looks very simple, straightforward. Hit enter. Give it a moment, and there it goes. And it's still going. It's going to keep going for a little bit longer. And when eventually it stops, you're going to think, how the hell am I going to remember all of that? And then you have to scroll through all that. Well, that's why what you want to do is you want to be able to do an output. So the exact same thing. This is the script. It's the exact same script right here. But you do another pipe, so that way you have an out file, and then you're going to select your path and give it a name. Now, I'm not just going to dump it in my C drive, so I am going to put this into my public folder. The reason I'm doing this is because it's easy for me to find, and I can always delete it later. So this is what I'm working with here. So if I put this here, let's print it here, and when we run it, give it a moment. That's it, it's done. Now what you want to do is, this is the path, users public, and there it is. Now if I actually open it up, log name, and then the early and easy logs to find. Windows PowerShell system security, but as you see as you scroll down, it keeps going. That's fine. Hopefully this is useful if you have a project where you need to actually look for a specific log or a set of logs. That way you can just limit your search to just those. We'll move on to other things that we can do in a log in later videos.